Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, as usual. And before we start the reading, I would like to thank you for your support and positive comments, Gemini. So we will start the reading by picking few cards first. These are for your daily energies, Gemini. For your career situation and your relationship, we'll be picking one card each. This is for your career situation, Gemini, and this is for your relationship. We will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading. So for your daily energies, Gemini, we will turn these cards. It's 4 of Wands, 6 of Wands in reverse, and 7 of Wands. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you will be you are celebrating some kind of initial success. So some choices that you are making, some beginnings that you are moving towards something positive, and you are celebrating it. That is what I see. So you are seeing that successful result in future, and you are happy for it, and you are celebrating that future success right now. And maybe for some of you, you are making great efforts in your situation. You are overcoming lots of obstacles and competition and difficulties in your situation, but you have that advantage because you are a person of great efforts and confidence and determination. So in your position today, you have that advantage in your situation, guys. So it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, because of the way you handle your situation, because of your skill and abilities. You will be seeing success in your future, guys. That is what I see. Maybe for some of you, you may be afraid in your situation. Maybe something is worrying you in your career or in your personal life. Some choices that you have made today, you may be afraid of the outcome, what may come. Your expectations, you may feel, may not be fulfilled. And for some of you, there are people working against you in your career or in your personal life. So somebody trying to deceive you, guys, or working against you, trick you into certain negative choices for you to make. So you have to be really careful in your career or in your personal life. Maybe some people whom you feel that you cannot trust, you need to stay away from them. That is what I see with these cards, Gemini. Though you have that advantage in your position, maybe because of your work status or your skills and abilities and your confidence, you need to be really careful with such people who are trying to involve you in something, some negative situations, or trying to pull you down in some ways. You have to be really careful. That is what I see. And what is the card for your career situation, Gemini? It's 4 of Cups. So with this card in your career, you are getting some offers, maybe something you are passionate about, but you are immersed in your own work or in your own world or in your own struggles and obstacles, and you are not aware of what is coming towards you today. So all that that is being offered to you, maybe some new beginnings are coming your way. You are not ready to see that. You are not living in that present. You are living in your own world. Maybe some of you would have expected something else, and you are not seeing the potential of that beginning that is coming towards you guys. So you need to be aware of your situation today, guys, aware of that present situation, and go for it. Go live in the present and go for those happy positive changes that are coming towards you in your career situation. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, Gemini. Death in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, maybe things are going in a very slow pace, guys. This person in this connection, you may feel that you both lack interest. Towards each other, or you both lack or you lack interest, or they lack interest, so they are not even making those efforts to come and see you, or you are not going and making those efforts maybe. So you just want to be in your own world. You are not working for this, working towards this connection, making this connection work. Or maybe for some of you, you may be in some sickness, you are healing. So that may be the energy. Some kind of lethargic energy is there, guys, associated with this card. So not enough efforts are being made. You just want to be, you just want to sleep, or you just want to be idle. You are not planning to even go out for work. So you just want to be there without any activity, and you are not even ready to meet this person. You don't have that interest, and maybe they have that interest you do not have, or both of you do not have that interest to meet. So something is obstructing you. Maybe your finances, or your situation today, some troubles in your work may be affecting your relationship also. So that is what I see with this card, Gemini. So that lack of interest may be the reason, or illness may be the reason, or overall some stressful situations in your career, or in some other connection, maybe with your family member. Something is stressing you, and it is you do not find the time or energy or that interest to meet this person. So that is the reading for today, Gemini. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.